Hello everyone, this video is about how to reserve inventory for Lazada promotion. The Lazada promotion info will not be auto-synced to BigSeller. You need to manually create and fill in the promotion info in BigSeller. The step 1. Be sure to turn on the inventory feature and map relationship between store SKUs and merchant SKUs. The step 2, you need to manually create the promotion in BigSeller. Go to Inventory, Reserved Inventory, click on Lazada, click on Create Promotion. Fill in the promotion name, such as ABC. Select a store and select the start time, the end time. Extend 24 hours. It means it's recommended to select it to avoid failure in using promotion reserved stock due to untimely orders. Okay, select a warehouse. The warehouse cannot be changed after clicking Save. Okay. Select the merchant SKU. This one. Confirm. And fill in the promotion stock. 5. It is the quantity you fill in when you register for the promotion on Lazada. And now, fill in the reserved stock. 5. Okay, all done. And now we can click Save. Successfully. After the creation, the promotion info will be displayed on this page. Here. All done. After the promotion starts, BigSeller will auto-allocate reserved inventory for promotional orders. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have any question, please contact us.